Okay, so what I want to do in this video is to show you an alternative besides YouTube where you can find talent that you could broker as a content broker or content middleman, whatever we're calling this. And it's fairly easy to be able to do that. You really want to find somebody who's going to work with you. So you're the salesperson, they're the content developer, and that's the main idea. And then you want to say, look, if you create a certain number of videos on this particular subject that you're an expert in, or that you have some knowledge of, or you're really enthusiastic about, you're really motivated to do some videos, then what I'll do is I'll market and sell these videos to you on other websites. We'll license them, and I'll split the fee with you. And that's fairly easy to do on YouTube, I think, because there's lots of people on YouTube who are making absolutely no money at all. They're promoting probably some affiliate program, or they're promoting their own website that hardly gets any views or visitors, and they would jump at the chance of making some money. But on the other hand, you can also buy content that you can end up licensing yourself, so you could own the content. Let's say you don't have a particular expertise, or you're not very good on video, and most of the videos that I'm talking about are either screencast videos or demonstration videos. There's really only two kinds of videos that work in this particular system. Screencast videos are the easiest, but you do have to have a voice, so you need someone to do the voiceover and, you know, work the mouse to do whatever you're demonstrating on the screen. In a demonstration video, you're actually shooting the person live, either in a studio, or I'll tell you a little bit about what they do. Basically, it's $5 gigs. Like they say, they're the world's largest marketplace for small services. So anybody who has a service to provide that they're willing to provide for $5 can list their service on this website, and if you're interested, you can buy the service and they will perform it for you, and then you give them feedback on it. Well, the person that I met this past week is kind of using a very interesting twist on Fiverr, and that is they are taking testimonials, people who are providing testimonials on Fiverr. They're video testimonials, so they're in front of the camera, and they're contacting the people who are offering these services for $5 testimonials and saying, well, look, instead of a testimonial, would you be willing to do a demonstration? So in other words, they're going to give them a script that they can use to do many different types of things. Either, you know, in his case, he was asking actually somebody to provide some sign language instruction. They're professional videographers, and they really do a professional job for you for a very, very low cost. So anyway, I thought this was interesting. I thought the idea was fantastic, both for our model and the traditional information product model, so that you can have products actually made for you using videos from Fiverr. And you can instantly create some nice content that you can start to license to other websites right away. All right, guys, that's it. And good luck with this model. If you have any questions, please contact me.